Today, we're looking at how you can use detail to tantalise the taste buds on social media. This is Tantuni. They are an authentic Turkish eatery and they're based in Plymouth Market. As you can see, the trader loads up Instagram with mouth-watering images and lots of lovely videos to give hungry customers an appetite. Now, as you can see, this is a very typical post for them as well, which I just wanted to highlight, because what it does is it gives all the flavours and ingredients, and it gives you a lot of detail as to what it would be as all the different detail as to what different sizes you could get, and the image just sort of speaks for itself, and it gives you very much like a kind of overview of this is what it is, this is what it does. And I think that the emojis speak for themselves in terms of how delicious it would be. And I think you can see the pistachio and rose, so it gives it some detail. And then what I love about it as well is it uses all of the great hashtags, so they support lots of local hashtags. As you can see, they do Plymouth UK, Plymouth Market food, which is wonderful, and then they also do some Turkish related hashtags quite a lot. And then they've done a lot regarding Devon, which is obviously the wider area. And then they've done the cheesecake, which obviously this is what it is, and rose and pistachio. So anyone who loves that flavour combo is going to be looking at that. So any business can really invite their customers to get much more excited about their food, but it's just by creating more intrigue through detail. As you can see, it's something they do a lot also on video here. Yum. Oh, it's just delicious. So yes, if I was Tantuni, what I would want to do is see at a glance what the rest of my competitors were doing on social media. So what I would do is I would add them to my Maybe dashboard. So on your Maybe dashboard, you get your dashboard here, which has all of your content where you can schedule things in. You can get your comments, so you can easily see who's replying to your posts and then comment back to them. You see how many people have mentioned you, and then you can engage with people who previously engaged with you, and you can even run your ads. But one of the exciting things is here on the left, you would see your best post. So you get to understand what's performing well each week on your social media. And then obviously, once you know what you're doing well, you can do more of it. And then on the right, you can choose any competitor whatsoever. You get one competitor for free and you get to choose any of them. So you just click here, change. And then what you would do is type in whoever your nearest competitor is. So it might be a bakery, it might be a Turkish restaurant, or it might be a really famous Turkish restaurant that you want to get some inspiration from. But essentially what you do is put it in there, and then you can start to compare your best post with their best post. You can get to compare all your social media stats. You get to see what's working for them versus what's working for you. You get to see the hashtags, which again, as I say, they're really good at using hashtags. And if you're struggling at all, then it's a really good way of finding out which ones you should be using. And then again, it's looking at how people feel about you, so you understand the sentiment and who's got influence, so basically who's talking about you. Now, if you've got any questions whatsoever, click on the little blue button here. We love to help.